Good afternoon, brethren. It's Derek here. As per Matthew Eaton's request at the festive board, I'm just going to make a quick video on how to use and update Helipad for you. I will password protect this. Now, if you go to the Bucks PGL.org page, there's not an obvious place to get to Helipad from here. So it really helps to know the actual native URL for Helipad itself, which is Helipad. So you don't need this bit here. Let's peel that off. Helipad.buckspgl.org, and that will take you to this screen here. Now, if you haven't already registered for Helipad, there's a registration form on the front page. It's about the only decent functionality in the whole thing. As Martin and Andy said, it is pretty clunky. So full name, your username, so I've set up Derek A for my username. Your password, minimum of 8 characters. Try and use a number and or a non-letter symbol and some capitals. Email address, confirm email address. GDPR is just that you're letting Bucks Province have access to and process and store your personal data. So you just need to check that, and then you need to put your lodge number in. As I've already got an account, my username and password, I've put them in, and you then log into the system. Now, as I said, it is a little bit clunky, and it's not immediately apparent what you need to do from the page here. Now, all the buttons to do things are down at the bottom here. Where's your lodge data, your provincial overview and what have you. You can also get to your details up here. Now, if you go to members, you can view all of the members in Bucks Province through the website, and I'll search myself out, and then if you click on that, you can see all the personal details of the person concerned, including their phone number and email address contact. So you can contact any member potentially in Buckinghamshire. Now, as it happens, I haven't updated my address now, so I'm actually going to go back to that page we started at. Doesn't want to work. There we go. So let's do it. Let's do it by using the menu and going home. So as I said, I can use here. So if I go there, I can get into my personal details. I can also go here and review and change my personal details. Now, normally you'd expect that you'd be able to just amend them here, but you can't. You have to go to the bottom of the screen and edit my details, and then the screen, an actual edit screen comes up. So I need to change my address. It's not Horton Green, it's Horton Village. Darlington, where the sun always shines. And the postcode. Actually, the sun was shining yesterday, it was absolutely beautiful. And that's UK. So then all you do is submit and save. And then your changes have been submitted. So I also want to go back to home. I also want to add my picture, add my photo. You just click on this here. No, not letting that do. So select an image. Documents. Freemasons. I'll put an image in here called Helipad. So I'm just going to upload that. There it is. Click on that, open, and then insert. And then that's put my image on Helipad, and again you have to submit. If you don't submit, it won't save it. Don't know why it's done that. Didn't like the password. Submit. Profile saved. So if I then go and look at my members, there it is. Look at that. So it's got all my details in there. Everything's updated. That is how you update Helipad. Hope you found that useful. As I said, it is a bit clunky, so don't forget you can go to here to change all your personal details. It might be worth adding an emergency contact detail as well. But that is basically how you use Helipad. Any questions, you can always hit me up, give me a shout. Hope that's useful. All the best. Bye bye.